Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a surprising secret that's been hiding in your kitchen cupboard. Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar a day can help control your blood sugar and improve digestion? That's right, this humble ingredient can transform your drinks and bring a whole host of health benefits. So grab your favorite mug. And let's explore the amazing world of apple cider vinegar. Now you might be thinking, vinegar in my drink? But hold on a second. Apple cider vinegar isn't just for salads anymore. It can be added to a variety of beverages, aiding digestion, sugar control, and even weight loss. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for giving it a try. I know what you're thinking. Many people shy away from apple cider vinegar because they're afraid of the taste or think it's just another health fad. But here's the thing. The problem isn't the vinegar itself, it's how you use it. With the right combinations and proportions, you will barely notice it's there, except for all the amazing benefits you will all start to feel. So let us roll up our sleeves and explore some delicious drinks that can be enriched with apple cider vinegar. First up, we have the classic lemon water. This refreshing beverage is already great for digestion, but add a splash of apple cider vinegar, and you've got a powerhouse drink that'll kickstart your metabolism and help balance your blood sugar levels. Next on our list is herbal tea. Whether you prefer chamomile, green tea, or peppermint, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar can take your relaxing cup to the next level. Not only will it help calm your nerves, but it'll also give your metabolism a gentle boost. It's like a spa day for your insides. For all you smoothie lovers out there, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. Adding a dash of apple cider vinegar to your favorite fruit smoothie can help control sugar spikes and add a subtle temperature that complements the sweetness of the fruit. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your health. Now, I know what you're thinking. That all sounds great, but does it really taste good? Well, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's take a sip of that apple cider vinegar-infused smoothie. See, it's not aggressive at all, and you can feel that immediate sense of well-being washing over you. The key is to start small, just a teaspoon in your drink, and gradually increase the amount as you get used to the taste. But don't just take my word for it. The benefits of apple cider vinegar are backed by science. Studies have shown that it can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is great news for anyone watching their blood sugar levels. It's also been linked to increased feelings of fullness, which can be a game changer if you're trying to manage your weight. And let's not forget about gut health. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented food, which means it's packed with beneficial bacteria that can help support a healthy digestive system. So, if you've been feeling a bit sluggish or bloated lately, adding some ACV to your daily routine might just be the boost your gut needs. Oh, I can see some of you looking skeptical. You might be wondering, is this too good to be true? Are there any downsides? Well, as with anything, moderation is key. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Also, because of its acidic nature, it's important to always dilute apple cider vinegar before drinking it. Never consume it straight. Your tooth enamel and your esophagus will thank you. And if you're new to a CV, start with small amounts and work your way up. Your body will let you know what feels right. But enough about the precautions. Let's get back to the fun stuff. One of the best things about incorporating apple cider vinegar into your drinks is how versatile it is. You can add it to pretty much any beverage you like. Love iced tea? Try a splash of a CV? Fancy a mocktail? Apple cider vinegar can add a sophisticated twist. The possibilities are endless. And here's a pro tip. If you're really not a fan of the taste, try using apple cider vinegar gummies or capsules. They offer many of the same benefits without the tangy flavor. But honestly, once you start experimenting with different drink combinations, you might find yourself actually enjoying the taste. Now, let's talk about quality. And choosing an apple cider vinegar, look for brands that are raw, unfiltered, and contain the mother. This cloudy substance you see floating in the bottle is full of beneficial enzymes and bacteria. It might not look pretty, but it's where a lot of the health benefits come from. So are you feeling inspired to give apple cider vinegar a try? Remember, adding it to your drinks can improve digestion, control sugar, aid weight loss, and even add a unique flavor to your favorite beverages. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used apple cider vinegar in a drink? What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. And if you're new to the ACV game, let me know which drink you're excited to try first. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on more health hacks and delicious recipes. Your journey to better health might just start with a simple splash of apple cider vinegar in your next drink. So go ahead, give it a try and see what happens. Your body will thank you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the amazing world of natural health boosters. Cheers to your health, and I'll see you in the next video.